Hello, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where I give you a meal planning tip or teach you about a feature of Plantea in 2 minutes or less. Today, I would like to explain the different options we have in the Plantea app for keeping your screen awake while you are using the app. So you may already be familiar with the cooking view in Plantea, and if you are, you know that the cooking view will automatically keep your screen awake while you are reading through and working through a recipe. So I'll show you how to do that really quick. If you're not sure, you can simply open a recipe and tap on this Start Cooking button at the bottom. And that brings you to the cooking view, and this version of the app will keep the screen awake for you so that as you're going step by step through a recipe and looking at the ingredients, your screen won't turn off and go dark. However, we also have updated the app so that when you are simply in this recipe view, the screen will also stay awake. So if you prefer this view of your recipe in order to cook from, this will also keep the screen awake, just simply looking at a recipe like this. Now, something that's really awesome as well is when you go to the shopping list, we have the option to keep your shopping list awake while you are shopping. So all you have to do is tap on the upper 3-dot menu, and then you'll see the option there in the middle that says Keep Screen Awake on Shopping List. And when you toggle that on, your screen will now stay awake when you are viewing your shopping list, which is really helpful when you're in the grocery store. You don't have to worry about your screen going dark all the time. If you have questions about any of this, please email us at help@plantea.com. Thanks as always for watching, and I will see you again soon.